we are now.
What are we doing?
We're in a prohibited area. It's illegal to be here. My name's Jason Jeffries, and this is going against the law. Very dangerous place right now. Entry's prohibited. Don't look at the pedestrians behind you. Don't look at them. So yeah, please guys check out our new music video. It's called Tinder Dates on the Low. Yeah, I be like, who's your bitch? Yeah, taking my dick in my pants. Yeah, I don't wanna be friends. Yeah, don't you be a dick show, man.
Isn't it always?
Pretty sure if you drive over it, like all the blood's gonna shoot through the blood stop and it's gonna like pop.
Hey Dole, how would you rate that beer you got there? What's it called?
Yeah, it's a Maluti. It's pretty good. Nice and smooth. Definitely better than a club.
And then?
They've tested those things, but I don't test the
Oh, yes. This is Dylan, man of many words.
Bro, Lesotho, gotta be the best place ever, you know. It's really flat, you know, there's not much to do besides building rocks, but like, there's a culture, there's a vibe, there's happiness, man.
There's goats.
That's what really counts. There's goats too. Probably got like the most goat farmers out of any fucking country in Africa. So yeah, cheers to them, you know.
Killing it, bro.
Bro, this over here with a snorkel, bro. We must be pretty much underwater at this point, bro. Like, how is he driving up like that?
Yeah, he's lucky at a snorkel. This is quite a wet environment.